Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to biology classes by Shweta Mal from Green Valley English School. Here I am here to teach you class 8 biology. We started with a chapter ecosystem, and in our last class we studied about biotic and abiotic components of ecosystem as well as interaction between biotic and abiotic components. Today we will study about types of ecosystem. There are two types of ecosystem, natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Now, what is a natural ecosystem? A natural ecosystem occurs on its own naturally. It occurs on its own naturally and it operates without the interference of humans. How does it operate? It operates without the interference of humans, and it could be terrestrial as well as or aquatic. Okay, it could be terrestrial or aquatic. Grassland, desert and forest are example of terrestrial ecosystem. Pond, lake, river and sea are examples of aquatic ecosystem. Let us know again about natural ecosystem. What I told you, that there are two types of ecosystem, that is natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. When I talk about natural ecosystem, a natural ecosystem occurs on its own naturally. It operates without the interference of humans and it could be terrestrial or aquatic. Clear? Grassland, desert and forest. Grassland, desert and forest are examples of terrestrial ecosystem, and pond, lake and river are as well as sea are examples of aquatic ecosystem. Now let us know about pond ecosystem. What is pond ecosystem? Pond ecosystem includes all the aquatic plants and animals that live in the pond along with the abiotic components like air, water and soil. Aquatic plants absorbs dissolved carbon dioxide and prepare their food. They release oxygen during the process. What they release? They release oxygen during this process, and aquatic animals uses this oxygen in respiration. Some small animals eat plants directly, that is they are herbivores, and large animals like fish and frogs are carnivores. They eat small fish and insects. After that, the bodies of plants and animals are decomposed by microorganisms, that is they are decomposers, and again it is absorbed by plants as nutrients. Now similarly, a forest as an ecosystem includes soil, air, water along with all the plants and animals living in it. What I told you? I told you that pond ecosystem includes all the aquatic plants and animals that live in pond along with the abiotic components like air, water and soil. Now this aquatic plants absorb dissolved carbon dioxide and they prepare their food, and while preparing their food, what they release? They release oxygen, and this oxygen is taken in by aquatic animals, okay, in process of respiration. So some small animals eat plants directly, so they are called as herbivores, and large animals like fish and frogs, they are carnivores. They eat small fish and insects. Clear? Now after that, the bodies of plants and animals are decomposed. Now the microorganisms who are decomposers, and again it is absorbed by plants and nutrients. Similarly, in forest ecosystem includes soil, air and water along with all the plants and animals living in it. A pond as an ecosystem can be a part of forest ecosystem. What I told you? I told you that a pond as an ecosystem can be a part of forest ecosystem. In forest ecosystem there is high rainfall, large number of organisms and flora is present, that is plants, highly diverse population and stability of ecosystem is very sensitive. Types of forest ecosystem. There are various types of forest ecosystem like tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen upper classes. Now, the features of forest ecosystem are forest canopy, forest floor and forest soil. Functions of forest ecosystem are watershed protection, atmospheric regulation, soil erosion control and wind erosion control. Now, let us know about desert ecosystem. High temperature, intense sunlight and low water. Flora and fauna are very poorly developed and scarce. Organisms are xeric adaptive and scarcely populated. Now, there are different types of desert. Sand desert, stony desert, rock desert, plateau desert, mountain desert and cold desert. What is this? Yes. Now, features of desert ecosystem. Rainfall, temperature, soil, light, plants and animals are adapted to live in extremities. Functions of desert ecosystem is solar energy resource and mineral resource. Now comes grassland ecosystem. Marginal rainfall, vegetation dominated by grasses, unimproved wild plant communities and densely populated. These all you will study in higher classes. In your stream it is only this much that you know about the types of ecosystem. That is two types of ecosystem, that is natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. And natural ecosystem, as I told you, that it occurs on its own naturally and it operates with the interference of humans and it could be terrestrial or aquatic. Clear? Grassland, desert and forest are examples of terrestrial ecosystem. Pond, lake, river and sea are examples of aquatic ecosystem. Now let us know about artificial ecosystem. What is artificial ecosystem? Artificial ecosystem is an ecosystem created and maintained by human beings. Artificial ecosystem is an ecosystem that is created as well as maintained by human beings. And aquarium, garden and crop field are examples of an artificial ecosystem. Clear this much? Okay. Now, tell me the role of flora in forest ecosystem. What is flora? Flora means plants and fauna means animals. So, tell me the role of flora in forest ecosystem. Plants maintain the natural forest ecosystem in the following manner. What are those? The forest ecosystem consists of many layers. The forest ecosystem consists of many layers and it consists of a variety of trees, herbs, shrubs and a ground layer of mosses, ferns and grasses. And the flora of the forest provides habitat to a variety of animals including birds, reptiles, amphibians, mammals and invertebrates. They produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide for humans and animals to breathe. And they also provide shelters and food to some animals. What does they do? They provide shelters and food to some animals. Now let us know about role of fauna, that is animals, in forest ecosystem. Animals maintain the natural environment in the forest ecosystem. And in what way? They exhale carbon dioxide which is required by the green plants to live. They exhale out carbon dioxide which is required by green plants to live and to make their food. As well as animals act as predators for plants and other animals. They help in increasing the fertility of the soil by their droppings and this helps to provide nutrition to the plants. Animals also help in seed dispersal. This helps the plants to disperse through their habitats. When the animals die, their dead and decayed bodies serve as food for microorganisms, and they also help in the supply of minerals to the plants.